It's May 28th, 2023. Let's start the update with the peony. You can see a few of the peony flowers have opened. It's very big and they're pink in color. So I'm gonna harvest these ones for indoor today. Here's another flower that's gonna open pretty soon. Total of 4 flowers that have opened so far. Over here is the lavender. You can see all the flowers are forming. They should open pretty soon too and attract a lot of bees. And here's the grape. Lots of flowers forming all over the plant. And here's that first flower that have formed. You can see the flowers have opened with the pollens showing. Hopefully these will become grapes, but I'm not sure. Over here's the blueberry. Pretty much most of the flowers have faded and are now turning into blueberries. Here you can see a bunch of the blueberries forming. And I moved the pineapple outdoor. Looks like it's doing pretty okay so far. Rhubarb looks okay. Saffron has died back. Here's the mulberry. Most of the flowers are now fading now. You can see they are turning into fruits, and there's a bit of a coloration change. A little bit of the red tint showing on the fruits. Here's the asparagus. Flowers are all opened now. Down here we have some potatoes. Some flowers are forming from the potatoes. Here's the raspberry. The raspberry is still flowering. These flowers doesn't look like they're pollinated well enough, so the fruits are gonna be deformed. Here's the California poppy, still flowering. Some seeds are forming. Beets are flowering now. Some pollens are falling off from the flowers. Over here's the broccolini. As you can see, I have cleaned up the plant. Right now it's just leaf groves. Not seeing any flower forming just yet. Maybe that's flowers, not sure. And catnips are still growing. Not seeing any flowers yet. And over here the bowl plants have pretty much all died back. And here we have the hydrangea. This shooting star variety doesn't look like there's any flowers forming. However, this big leaf variety are sending out some flowers. So hopefully we'll see some nice hydrangea flower this year. And these are the peony flowers that I harvested. They're quite big and they actually kind of smell like rose. Very beautiful pink color. And this is after I trimmed the leaves and the stems. Last thing is the pitcher plant. You can see the old plant has pretty much dried up, and the new plant is sending out some new pitchers. See right here, it's a tiny pitcher that is gonna slowly get bigger and eventually form the adult pitchers at the end of each of the leaves.